national insurance number. Without it, you can't work in UK. You can't pay taxes. So in this video, we will see simple steps to apply for national insurance number. Watch the video till the end. Let's move to the computer screen and open the Google and search for apply national insurance number. You will see this screen. You can see this is the UKVI website to apply your national insurance. So they mentioned all these steps, what document you want. The important thing is your pass UK need to select, but in my case it is no. Then I need to select continue. So you need to mention the date when you move to UK. So I'm just selecting my date randomly. Here you need to fill your current address postcode. So for me, I'm just selecting a demo one. So then press continue. So you need to select your address. I'm just selecting any random address and then press continue. So they are asking you if they want to post your national insurance number in 4 weeks. If your application is successful, you need to select it yes. So if you want a hard copy of the national insurance number, you can select it yes. Otherwise they will send you a soft copy. Just select it yes and then continue. So you need to mention your email ID. So I'm just adding some random email ID here and then press continue. So you need to fill your mobile number, which is a mandated thing to track your application. So I'm just adding some random mobile number here. So you need to provide your passport number as well, which is an important document to link your NI with your passport. So you need to select it yes, and you need to provide your passport number. So in my case, I just provided my passport number. So now you need to provide your biometric residence permit as well. If you have visa, you provide your visa number, provide your biometric residence permit. So in my case, I'm filling the demo. Now you have to upload your latest photo, selecting a random photo. You can see showing like how you have to upload your passport number. So in this page you can see how you have to scan your document. So in case of passport, so you have to show all the 4 corners of the passport. You don't have to cover your personal details. You need to take a photo and select. And then continue. So you need to provide and validate that you meet the requirement. Then press yes and then continue. So now you have to provide your image. So I just uploaded my image, just a random image, just to aware about all the things. So you can see yes. So your photo meet the requirement. If you continue, so now you have to upload the image of your BRP card. You have to follow the same process and then click continue to upload the BRP details. So I just uploaded random image as of now, which is processing now. After your image is uploaded, you can see it is asking you that photo meet the requirement. You can select it yes and then press continue. Now on this page, you have to confirm and check all your personal details that you are filling in the application. So after confirming all the details, what you have to do, you have to accept and send the application. So in this case, I won't do because I'm filling the random details. After pressing accept and send, you are able to get a reference number on your mobile and your email address. Once you got that reference number on your email, you can use it to apply for jobs, or if you already have job, you can provide that reference number to your employer to link your tax details. I also have created a video where you can convert your BRP to e-visa, so you can click on this link. If you have any confusion, just comment down. To support me, just like the video, subscribe the channel, and we'll see you in next video. Bye bye, take care.